These days, a little extra cash can make a huge difference. Maybe you want to pay off a bill, save for something fun, or just have a little breathing room in your budget. But the problem is most people think earning extra money means getting another full-time job or working long hours outside the house. That sounds exhausting, right? The truth is, thanks to the internet, you don't always need to leave your home to make a little extra money. You don't need fancy skills, big investments, or hours of training. There are simple tasks anyone can do that add up over time. Think of it like collecting small drops of water in a bucket. One drop doesn't seem like much, but after a while, the bucket starts filling up. The best part? You can do many of these things on your own schedule. No boss looking over your shoulder. No long commute. You can work a few minutes here, an hour there, or whenever you have free time. In this guide, we'll break down some easy ways to earn extra cash from home. It won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it can help you build a little financial cushion and give you more control over your money. When people hear make money online, they often think it's all scams or some secret that only tech experts know. The truth is there are real simple tasks that pay, and anyone with a phone or computer can do them. The problem is most people don't know where to start. So let's break it down and keep it real. The first thing you need to understand is this. We're not talking about overnight riches. We're talking about small, steady ways to earn extra cash. A little here, a little there. It all adds up. If you stay consistent, you can cover small bills, save for something special, or just have some extra money to breathe easier every month. One of the easiest ways to start is with online surveys and feedback websites. Companies pay for opinions because they want to know what customers think. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Toluna give you points or cash for answering surveys, watching short videos, or testing small products. It won't make you rich, but spending 15 or 20 minutes a day can bring in some extra dollars each week. It's simple, and you can do it while watching TV or drinking coffee. Another option is freelancing small skills. You don't need to be a professional writer or designer to find work online. Maybe you can type fast, organize data, or proofread simple documents. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork have thousands of people looking for help with small tasks. Even creating basic PowerPoint slides or writing short product descriptions can earn you some cash. The key is to start small and build a good profile. Then there's selling unused stuff online. Almost everyone has clothes they don't wear, gadgets collecting dust, or books sitting on a shelf. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark let you sell those things quickly. It feels good to clear out your space while making money at the same time. If you like being creative, you can try micro gigs like creating memes, short voiceovers, or small logo designs. Even if you're not a pro, people online pay for quick, simple jobs when they need them fast. It's like doing small favors for people and getting paid for it. And here's something many people overlook: teaching what you already know. If you're good at math, cooking, or speaking a second language, you can teach kids or adults online. Websites like Cambly or Preply let you talk to people learning English or other subjects. You just chat and help them practice, and you get paid by the hour. The point is, you don't need a degree or years of experience to start earning. You just need to pick one or two simple tasks, stay consistent, and treat it like real work, even if it's part-time. Over time, those small earnings add up more than you think. Finding simple tasks that pay is the first step. But here's the thing. If you want to actually see the money grow, you need some kind of routine. Many people start strong for a few days and then quit because they don't see quick results. That's why having a plan matters, even for small tasks. The first rule is to set realistic goals. If you expect to make hundreds of dollars in the first week, you'll get frustrated and give up. Instead, start small. Maybe your goal is to earn $50 this month from online surveys or freelancing. That's just a few extra dollars a day. Once you hit that goal, raise it slowly. This way, you feel progress without burning out. Next, schedule your tasks like you would any part-time job. If you have an hour in the evening after dinner, use it for surveys, freelance work, or listing items for sale. If you're more focused in the morning, spend 30 minutes before work on these tasks. Consistency beats random efforts every time. A little bit every day works better than cramming everything into one weekend and then forgetting about it. Another key is to track your income. Write down how much you make from each task. It may not feel like much at first, but when you see the total at the end of the month, it motivates you to keep going. Many people quit because they don't realize how small amounts add up over time. Also use your free time wisely. Waiting at the doctor's office? Do a quick survey. Got 20 minutes before bed? List something on Facebook Marketplace or check freelance jobs on Fiverr. Instead of scrolling social media, use that same time to earn a few dollars. It's the small pockets of time that add up to real cash over the month. Here's something important most people don't think about. Learn one skill slowly while you earn from simple tasks. For example, if you start freelancing by doing basic typing jobs, learn a little about proofreading or content writing. If you start selling old items online, learn about taking better product photos or writing better descriptions. These small improvements help you earn more for the same amount of time later. And finally, treat it like real work, even if it's side income. Show up on time, deliver what you promise, and be polite with people you work with. A good reputation online means more work, better pay, and more opportunities in the future. When you follow a routine, set goals, schedule tasks, track income, and slowly improve your skills, you stop feeling like you're just doing random side jobs. It starts feeling like a small business you run from your own home, and that's when things really begin to grow. By now, you've learned where to find simple tasks and how to build a routine that keeps you earning steadily. But here's the big question. What do you do with the money once it starts coming in? Because if you just spend it the moment it hits your account, you're back at zero every month. The smartest thing to do is give your extra income a clear purpose before you even earn it. Maybe you want to pay off a credit card. Maybe you want to build an emergency fund so surprise bills don't stress you out. Or maybe you want to save for a vacation or a new laptop. Whatever it is, pick one goal and send every dollar there until you hit it. When you focus on one goal at a time, you actually see results faster, and that keeps you motivated. The second step is to separate your side income from your regular income. Open a free savings account or use a digital wallet just for this money. When you see the balance growing in a separate place, you feel like you're building something real instead of just earning and spending without direction. Also, reinvest in yourself as you grow. If you earn $100 from surveys, maybe use $20 to learn a skill like basic graphic design or simple video editing. These small investments can open doors to bigger paying tasks later. It's like planting seeds for future income streams. And don't forget to track your progress. At the end of every month, write down how much you made, what you saved, and what you spent on learning. Seeing your own growth on paper makes you realize how far you've come since you started. Here's the truth. Earning extra cash from home won't change your life overnight. But it can change the way you feel about money. It gives you control. It shows you that you don't have to wait for someone else to give you a raise or a promotion. You can create small streams of income that slowly turn into something powerful. So here's the punchline. Don't wait for the perfect job or the perfect time. Start with what you have, start with what you know, and start now. Because every big success begins with small steps. And your extra cash journey could be the first step to a future you didn't think was possible.